You make me sneeze. Cat? Yes, duck. I have bad news. What is it now, duck? I think. Achoo! I'm allergic to you. Me? See? The closer I get, the more my beak itches and twitches. And. Achoo! We must do something about this. Achoo! Sit. No. Lie down. No. Walk this way. Achoo! Hmm. Let's see which tree has the best. Aha! Here it is. What are you making? Ticobac tea. Drink up. It helps reduce swelling and. Oh no, my eyes are itching now. And my beak? If I had toes, they'd be itching too. I bet a bath would help. Achoo! Cat, now I'm itchy and shiny. Maybe you should put on a coat. A coat? No, I was born wearing a coat. Please? If you cover your fur, I'm sure I'll stop sneezing. Achoo! Maybe you should put on a hat. In the tent? For me? Okay, but I don't think I like it one bit. Achoo! Could you stand out there when trees fly? But I can't see well now. What if I trip and bruise my beak? How will you feel then? Oh, all right. Are you better? A little, but I'd feel even better if you would sing to me. No, my mother sang to me when I was a duckling, and it helped. I'm not your mother. Please, cat, pretty please. No, 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 no. Okay. Meow, ow, 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 cow. Oh no, now my ears hurt. Do you know another song? Absolutely not. I'm already almost improving. Listen, no sneezing. Well, here goes. She'll be baking pies and pizza when I come. She'll be baking pies and pizza when I come. She'll be baking pies and pizza, and I can't wait to eat them. She'll be. Who is she? I don't know. What kind of a pizza is it anyhow? Pepperoni? I do not know. Oh, I would never sing about someone I didn't know cooking food I might not like. Duck, go home. But leave, please. All right, I'll go, but can I say something? You always do. You are my best friend, and even if you make my beak tickle and wiggle, my eyes swell up, and my whole body feel like it's covered with ants, I would rather be with you than with anyone else in the whole wide world. Even if I don't wear this coat? Even if I took off the hat? Yes, even if we stood as close as two slices of bread in a bag? Yes, yes, yes. Achoo! Then you must stay and I will read your story. I love stories. Me too. What is it about? Not the girl baking pizza, I hope. Quiet Duck. I wrote this story while I was gathering flowers from my garden. Aren't they magnificent? Achoo! 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 Uh, oh, Doc, I'm so sorry. I'll get rid of them. Well, do you know what this means? Now we can walk and talk and spend every day together forever. Oh my, I feel better already.